Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word, by the British artist Elton John from his 1976 album entitled Blue Moves. The song was written by Elton John and Bernie Taupin. In terms of keyboards, there's an acoustic piano, which is played by Elton John, but there's also an electric piano, string arrangement, and vibraphone and an accordion. But I suggest just concentrating on the piano. The song is in the key of G minor. A basic chord sheet will be in the description box below. If you find these videos helpful, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and remember to hit the notification bell for instant notification of uploads. Okay, so here's an example of how I might play it.
Seems to be